All right, guys, Angelo Christian with another fabulous edition of Real Estate Insider. And today we're going to be talking about VA loans, my favorite home loan program. So I got exciting news to share with you. If you're a veteran out there and you've been denied by your lender, give Angelo Christian a call. I can help you to get the funding that you need and deserve. Did you know that veterans have Tier 2 bonus eligibility entitlement to be able to buy their home? So even if you had a property foreclosed on with the VA or you had a bankruptcy with the VA, you can get another home with the VA. I don't care what Veterans United told you. I don't care what your bank told you and they denied you. I've helped hundreds and thousands of veterans to buy their second home with the VA. Even if you have a current VA mortgage, you can have another VA mortgage. It's called Tier 2 eligibility, and it's a big secret. I don't know why no one knows about it. So I wanted to come out here and broadcast this to the world to let everybody know that if you're a veteran and if you've been foreclosed on or you had a bankruptcy and your property went into foreclosure or you currently own a house with the VA, you can get a second home with the Veterans Administration, okay? Don't let other companies tell you that you can't qualify and they want 20% down or they deny you to be able to buy a home. It's not true, okay? If you're a veteran, you can look this up and you can check with your local Veterans Administration office. You have Tier 2 bonus entitlement, and it doesn't show up on your DD-214, guys. I don't know why, and I don't know why it's a hidden thing. There's not that much information on the internet about it, and a lot of veterans don't even know. Actually, none of the veterans I've ever talked to even knew about it, and I had to show them what Tier 2 eligibility. And my client here, Tim Simons, that you see right here, he just closed on his house, $240,000. He had a home that was foreclosed on 3 years ago with the VA, and he got denied by USAA for getting a VA loan. They said, no, you had a property foreclosed on and that you can't get funding. And he called me up one day and I got him pre-approved. He bought a brand new home. $243,000 was with zero down, 100% financing, and no money to close, and even had the closing costs included as well. All right. So one of the things I want to show you here in this, and you'll see the math here in this example, it will show you in this calculation, there's a formula that we use to calculate with the VA to see what your new eligibility is. All right. And I want to break down this formula for you, and you can actually, if you look on the link below, you'll have the formula there, and you can check and see, or you can give us a call at 832-431-6331, and I can do the calculation for you to see what your eligibility is. There are some guidelines and requirements. I want to talk about those, but it is very exciting news that you have Tier 2 eligibility, and you can still get a house even if you were foreclosed on with the VA. But basically, with us, we go down to a 500 credit score with the VA loan program. So that's another thing. Just so you guys want to educate the world out there, the VA does not have a credit score requirement. Banks have a credit score requirement. So I don't care what your bank told you or your lender that you need a 680 or 700 or 640. That's their requirement. That's not the VA's requirement. The VA has no credit score requirement. So we go down to a 500 credit score. All right? And I can help you to boost up your credit score to get it higher so you can get approved so you can get into your home and get a better deal. We do a free VIP credit booster program, as you saw in my other videos, to help you to boost up your credit score. So basically, credit score will go down to a 500. Now, with the VA, the maximum debt ratio is up to 60%. Typically, if you had a recent foreclosure within the last 3 years, the maximum debt ratio that you can go up to is 41%. All right, so your total back-end debt ratio has to be below 41% if your foreclosure is within 4 years or less. All right, if it's over 4 years old, then you can probably go up to a 60% debt ratio. You can still get the first-time buyer tax credit that will help you with boosting up your income and help you to increase your purchasing price of your home by about $10,000 to $15,000. That's what the first-time buyer tax credit. If you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years, you're actually considered a first-time buyer, and that will help you to boost up how much you can qualify for by about 10 to 15 grand. So if you got approved for 200 somewhere else, we can probably approve you up for 215,000 with a tax credit. So basically, no foreclosure in the last 3 years. So it has to be 3 years or greater. And typically, I will tell you that if you had a foreclosure with the VA before, the size of the amount of the claim will affect how much you can qualify for on the new VA loan. So if you had a huge foreclosure, like several $100,000 to claim, you'll probably be able to qualify for less than this calculation that you can look at. And the math is right here. And basically, the way you calculate it is that you take the county loan limit, okay, whatever your county in, and like with the VA, they have a loan limit. For Harris County in Houston, it's $453,000, and you multiply that by 25%. Okay, so take $453,000 multiplied by 25%. You'll see it here in the example, and then you minus your previous claim. So let's say that you had a claim of $50,000 on your previous foreclosure that the VA had to pay on your behalf is $50,000. So you take the $453,000 multiplied by the 25%. Minus the $50,000, and then that number that you get, okay, times 25%, okay, is what you can go up to on the new loan amount. That's your new maximum eligibility that you can go up to. So I'm going to say that again. So you take the county loan limit, right, times 25%, minus your claim, multiplied by 4, and that's what you can go up to for the maximum loan amount. So in this example for our client here, he bought a $242,000 home. His new max loan amount was $268,000, so he was fine. So we got to find out what that number is in advance when we pre-approve you before you can go and buy another house with a VA. Okay? So you can call us, and we'll do the math for you. You don't have to worry about it, but if you give me a call, 832-431-6331. I can help you with that to get you pre-approved for your new VA loan program. And you can click on the link below. There's no application fee. There's no deposit. There's no contract to get pre-approved with us. Or you can give us a call at the 832-431-6331. But I want you to get excited to know that, yes, even if you had a foreclosure with the VA or a bankruptcy, or you currently own a house with the VA, you can get a second home with the VA. All right, and I can help you. Angelo Christian can help you to get you the funding that you need for your brand. It can be a brand new home. It can be a condo, a townhouse, a mobile home. It doesn't matter. It's all over the country, nationwide. We can help you to make it happen. So give us a call. And guys, that's what we do in our network. We work very, very hard, endlessly, every single day to educate you and empower you with finance, credit, and real estate to help you, to put you in the best financial position. That's our goal, our mission here with the company. Our purpose is to put you in the best financial position possible, so that way when we're done, that your life is better. You have a home, your credit's higher. You took your life to the next level with you and your family. That's what it's all about, is helping you to take your life to the next level. So give us a call. Please share this with your friends and family. If you know any veterans out there, share this information with them. Educate them. Let them know that they can get a house. They don't have to waste money on rent. We can help you guys. So reach out to Angelo Christian. Click on the link below. Follow us on our Facebook, our YouTube. We're trying to grow to 1 million subscribers in the next 5 years. Help us to get there. Follow us. Share the information. Guys, thank you so much for checking out Real Estate Insider with Angelo Christian. Take care. Make the most of yourself. Take care. Bye-bye.